Now it's time to create an adapter to fetch data inside our RecyclerView. But first let's create a few packages because it's good to have the code organized. So if you have classes which are somehow related, it's good to have them in the same package. So I'm gonna create first a package called utils, and here we're gonna put our utilities like constants, like some constants. I'm gonna type here utils. I'm gonna create another package called model, and here we're gonna put our model class, and another package called adapter, and here we're gonna put our adapters. So I'm gonna type adapter. Now I'm gonna go inside the model class, and here we're gonna create a Kotlin class file. I'm gonna call it example item. It's gonna be a file. And here I'm gonna type class example item, and it's gonna have two properties: val title of type string, and val description also of type string. And there's gonna be a data class, so we're gonna put data here. So this class that we have here, description. So this class that we have here is going to represent the individual item, the XML item that we created here. This is what this class is representing. Next, we're going to create an adapter. So on the adapter package, you go to new, and we also create a new file. I'm going to call this file adapter. And here I'm going to type class example adapter, parenthesis for the constructor, and we are going to inherit from the class called RecyclerView dot adapter. And here between the angle brackets we need to pass an inner class which is gonna be the view holder. So I'm gonna put parenthesis here, and I'm gonna type here example adapter dot, and the inner class that we're going to create immediately. So it's going to be called example view holder. So I'm going to put curly braces, and I'm going to go here, and I'll type inner class example view holder. So now we have our example view holder here, but we have this underline. Let's put parentheses, and we need to extend from our RecyclerView dot view holder, and here we need to pass an item view. We're gonna see immediately why. So we put view, and we're gonna put that view. Let's import that. Import, and we're gonna pass the view here to the parent class. Now, if you hover over here, you need to implement now some functions, because what we are doing now is we are taking all the functionality that the RecyclerView, which the Android developers created, all the functions and all the properties and all that logic which is gonna display, which is gonna create a RecyclerView, and we are inheriting from it, and we provide some new functionality which is particular to our own list, to our own RecyclerView. And because of that, we need to implement the functions here. So I'm going to implement those three functions. So I'm going to click on OK. Now you see the power of inheritance in action. So we delete those, we delete this, and the inner class usually we put at the end of those functions. So I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to put it here. All right. Now we need to create to pass for the constructor to pass a context, because we're going to use this context. So we're going to be of type context, and a list of let's import that, a list of elements. It's going to be a mutable list, and this is going to be the list with the data that is going to be displayed in our RecyclerView. So it's going to be a mutable list of example item. Alright, so now everything looks fine. Let's push this down because it looks better, or like this. Let's actually do it like this. Right, and now I'm gonna end the video. In the next video, we're gonna continue our discussion about RecyclerView adapter, and I'm gonna see how we'll make our RecyclerView, our example adapter, to display the data in our RecyclerView. So see you in the next video.